you should spend on advertising? How much time should you spend on marketing your business as a small business? Well, how much time you spend is going to be based on how big you are. Are you doing it yourself as the business owner? Is your front desk person doing it? Do you have a specific marketing person in your business that's doing everything? Our software makes it to where time is probably the biggest piece of our software. Our software ranges anywhere between free, like I said, all the way up to $980 a month, which includes a website, e-commerce, and us doing absolutely everything for you. Our average customer spends anywhere between $80 and $160 a month. So it's one of those things to where they log in. It's a do-it-yourself program for most of our customers. They log in, they do everything themselves. And we're here to support them every step of the way. The average business owners spending about 5 to 10 minutes per day from what I can see from our logs inside the system, which is where I want. I want you to only have to log in to spend that because you're busy. You are busy running your business. You're busy already wearing enough hats. You don't need to add marketing to it and spend hours to do it. I want it to take longer for you to figure out what your password is to be able to log into our system than it takes you to be able to actually do the marketing. And you know who you are when you're trying to figure out what password it is and where you wrote it down at or where you hid it at in QuickBooks or whatever it might be and however you're doing it. But it's one of those things. And by the way, stop doing that. Don't do that. There's a great service called LastPass and all kinds of password storing tools. Use those. But that's my IT security brain just going, hey. But it's one of those things to where, yes, you have to spend some time, but you know your business better than anybody. And I tell everybody this, even when they're going to come to us and they say, we want you to do our marketing for us because you're the expert. Yeah, but you're the expert in your industry. You know your business better than we do. You know your business better than any marketing agency can know it. Now, they can help you. Now, you can sign up for our premium plan, which is $160 as I'm talking today. But it's one of those things to where you know your business better than anybody. So you could hire our premium service. It'll drop content in it because it's got to know you. It's got to know what your language is. It knows about your business. It knows your location. It knows your business name, your phone number, your address, all the details about it. It scraped that information. It knows what your industry is doing, but you know your industry better than anybody. So taking that little bit of time, even if we're drafting that content for you and making it your own, will make our system smarter to know about you. It also will relate with your customers better because you know what they're going to search for. You know what they're looking for when they're making that search. You know what they want from you. You also have the real world examples to go, this is what you do in this scenario. So it's one of those things. You know your business better. So yes, you're going to have to spend a little bit of time on marketing. And I would rather spend a little bit of time and get more organic results than I would to be able to slam a bunch of money on the table for pay-per-click and have the hope and dream that someone's going to click on it that actually lives near me and they're not somewhere else and that it's real. And you know if organic results are working because it's causing more traffic to you, it's causing more phone calls, it's causing more money to come into your bank account. So those are the things that we track to be able to know if your marketing is working. So take a little bit of time. Like I said, our average member is spending about 5 to 10 minutes per day. I think that means more than how much money should you spend on advertising.